How's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment today and we got a plug bathtub here. I recently just got the Milwaukee M12 snake, so I will be using this for my bathroom jobs, bathroom sinks and bathtubs. So I just picked it up just now, so let's get it out and we will see if we can get this drain cleared up. So it looks like the problem was just in the trap. There you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trog now.